Hey, it's Jim Parr here, and we're going to go through high level and tell you the great savings because it is November, and November is the time for Black Friday savings and, of course, turkey. So, we're going to look at some ridiculous deals that high level has and explain what high level is. And right now, you can save 50% off just for a few days. So, jump on this when you see this before it's too late. So the first 3 months that you get onto this, you can save 50% off. If you want to cancel after that, you can cancel at any time. That's the thing about high level. I've been with them for almost a decade. So when they started, they didn't have anything that they have now. So jump on this deal. If you've got a business or you're a realtor, a mortgage guy, a small business like plumbing, electrician, construction. I've got multiple businesses. I've got an agency. I've got a construction business, and I use high level in all of it. Everybody I know that is around me that sees how well I'm doing says, "How do you do it?" And it's all the secret of high level. So jump on this deal. There's a link in the description that you can get 50% off. But not only that, I'm going to give you multiple bonuses if you use that link. One of those is a one-on-one. So once you purchase the software, I give you a one-on-one and walk you through everything, help you get it set up. And I have a 30 module academy on this. So in high level, you can create it's basically your CRM. So it's your contact resource management, it's your pipeline management. So if you use just one of these in this list, it literally pays for itself. You can do unlimited sales funnels. So if you're running ads, you're running Facebook ads, you can connect it to your messenger, connect it to your Instagram DMs, your TikToks, your whatever you want, LinkedIn even. It can build your websites, whether it's WordPress, Wix. There's surveys. We just did a survey for a client that's in the mortgage business. And so it qualifies those leads for that mortgage business. Or if you're in the, it can even schedule your appointments automatically. It doesn't even list in here, but it does AI. And with AI, you can automatically book your appointments, your service calls, your calls with your clients, and it'll send them an appointment reminder, everything included in there. And so it just does literally everything. It does your email marketing, text message marketing, as I said, booking your appointments. It's got workflow automation. What's that mean? It just automatically does everything for you. So once it's set up, and a lot of this is already built in, but once it's set up, it just automatically schedules those calls, schedules those appointments. If there's a service that you need to do, like a fee that you charge for a service call, it'll automatically send them an invoice. You can be driving and not even pick up the phone. It'll book it, take the payment, and automatically send that payment to you. So you don't even have to do anything. This is great for a one-man business or one salesperson like a realtor. It does call tracking. You can create your own phone numbers within it to track it. You can do all your reputation management, which is all your reviews on Facebook, Google, everything that you can imagine. So again, there's a link below. And I don't want you to miss out on this deal because this is a deal of a lifetime. So thanks for watching, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you want all my high level videos.